So hello everyone and welcome to the live webinar. So let me introduce first myself for those who don't know me. I'm Christian Stinchek. I've been trading for 10 years now and have been active on TradingView for the last 5 years. I'm a professional trader and mentor, and my goal is to help people improve and become profitable in trading and give you as much knowledge as I can in these kind of the webinars. What I'm showing you here on my webinars is totally different level understanding the charts, and you won't find it anywhere. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to use the live chat. I can see both chats on YouTube and TradingView, so make sure you will use it. If there is something that you need to know, you want to know, do not hesitate, just feel free to ask, right? I'm here to help you and to give you the better sense of understanding the charts. As I can see, people are drastically improving knowledge by watching those webinars, so I'm really happy when I see you guys that your understanding of how you look at the charts is improving, and that's my point. Okay, that's my purpose of these kind of webinars. Okay, and for those who are asking me to join our team, okay, you can go to tradewithmaster.eu. This is my website, and under the membership tab you will find the membership that fits with you, right? So once you will choose the membership, once you will pay, I will give you the access to everything what we use, and you will be there with us. We will be discussing every day for setups. I will share what I trade, how you have to trade, where you have to trade, and all strategy that you need to properly enter and manage the trade, and risk management and so on. Okay, there's a lot of things. Okay, so once you decide to join us, you will see how much you didn't know. Okay, there's much more than you think behind the charts. Okay, a lot of strategies that you need to understand before you will become fully profitable. And of course, if you will join this week or today, on Saturday we are having a live training, so this is a very beneficial thing. We will go and we will trade with every member of the academy. Okay, we will do the live training, live sessions. You'll be able to speak, basically you will be able to share your screen, and we will be discussing about trades, how you analyze, what are you doing wrong, and how you prepare your charts from the scratch. Okay, so it's a very good thing that needs to be practiced, right? So I will show now a couple of trades that me and my traders are watching now in the academy. So what's going on basically on the market is basically not much, right? So not much. We are still watching DXY for more upside, and SP 500. Yes, this has just extended itself. Okay, so this is just the sorry, this is too big. This is just the extension, and we will go more upside, right? So don't search for sells over there. Let do whatever it wants to, let it struggle a little bit, and then you will start watching for sells. Okay, and once you find the sell, once you'll be in the sell, take this sell and be careful. If it struggles around the trend line, close it. Okay, so it's very important that you keep an eye what the chart is doing around those trend lines. Okay, so it's very important to have your eyes around the trend line. If it loses momentum, it means it will go for the upside, so you have to protect all those trades that you have taken there from the top. So basically all sells needs to be protected. That's how you should trade over there. Okay, and of course, if you feel confident, if you have the buy setup, of course you can go for the buy setup, right? We take all the trades. Okay, when we see the trades, when we see the opportunity, we take it. Okay, so this is exactly what happened with the euro dollar. So what we did, oh sorry, not this one, euro dollar. So what we did, oh come on, so what we did, we were selling this one and we were buying this one. Now what we will do, we will start watching for sell stops again. Okay, we don't see that this is any buy, this is nothing over there. Okay, these are just news, and the market is still in the structure for more downside. Okay, it's very important to understand this thing. Market is still in the structure for more downside. Why? Because this is the structure for sell, not a buy. Okay, so why I'm stressing those words, because you have to understand it. Okay, if we are in the structure for sell, you can watch for buy, right? Sometimes many of you got stuck over there, okay, especially when you see some big candles, you are pushing the market. Okay, so but what you have to do, you have to stick into the direction for more downside. Okay, so let me make this thing much more clear for you. Okay, so let's say this is the, let me borrow that online. Okay, so this is what we have over there. Move to the upside. Okay, the move is similar, like this one, like this one, like this one. It's just a little bit bigger, but kind of same one. Okay, so what is our next move? Okay, I really do anticipate that this will break through now, because this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 wave structure. 5-wave structure usually drops aggressively, okay, because the third didn't go. It starts to struggle around the trend line. Now this is the fifth one, fifth wave, which should go now. Okay, that should start going, but is it ready right now? No, not yet. Okay, what you have to do is you just have to keep an eye over there, what the price is trying to do. You have to prepare yourself. This is what we do. Okay, this is why having the good community is very important, because we are now watching this. We will keep an eye how this will set up, where we'll put stop losses, when it's the time to start selling it. Okay, very important, because you can just sell. Okay, that's very risky and kind of dangerous if you just sell based on the touch of the trend line. That could just go up and you will be stopped out and then it will drop. Or what it could do, this could get complicated, but it will still drop. Okay, the extension will just get bigger and bigger and you can be stuck over there. So make sure you completely understand what you're doing over there, completely that you completely see the sense of the direction. Okay, so don't rush for the trade. See the proper price action before you will get into the trade right over there. Okay, so don't rush. We still don't have any sales, right? Okay, we will wait. Definitely that's because of the DXY. It's not the sell. Okay, I saw many people are thinking that this is the sell. That's not the sell, right? One single candle cannot be the sell. You just have to keep in mind. Okay, so this isn't the sell. So we have a question. Hi, how would you look now at German third structure with this big news rally? Nothing special. Okay, so let me just show you. It's still in this structure. Okay, so first we were watching it like this one, right? So this was the yesterday view, I thought. So yeah, since yesterday. Okay, nothing new. So let me just copy what we have yesterday, so you'll see how patterns are changing. So make it mine. Okay, this is what we were watching yesterday. Nothing happened. Okay, and you should not have the trade. So what happened now? This is just getting bigger. Nothing special. Okay, this thing is getting bigger and it's still not the buy. Okay, this single candle over there, it's not the buy. This can't drive the market to the upside and we are still in the sell. Okay, so this is even better sell now. Okay, not selling it right now. To make things clear, you should not be selling it as it stands right now. You have to wait for the proper sell stops or at least some break to the downside. You see this one? This is what you have to wait over there. Okay, you want to see some reactions. Don't chase the green candle currently over there, because this can struggle over there, but it still go down. Okay, so get in the market on time, not too early and not too late. Okay, it's very important where and how you enter. So you should not rush. Anyway, this is still the structure for sell. Why? If you watch the weekly, okay, I still see that this could be the running flat. This goes up, this goes down, this goes up. Okay, so this is still the running flat in relationship to this impulse. This is the running flat. So if we count that for you, this is the 1, this is the 2 is in the making, this 2 is in the making, and we will be in the third move. Okay, at least 3 wave structure downside, it's needed over there. But now the big question is when this second wave will complete. Okay, as we know and as we watch this as running flat, okay, impulse downside. Now we get the running flat. Now what is the next sense of the direction? Next logical step is that we will repeat the previous impulse to downside, which has to break at least this low. So if we apply it over there, one is the impulse, then we have a running flat, we have to go down, break this low at least. That's the minimum what we will get out. But once this move will be completed, okay, we just have to let it complete. Let it lose its momentum, let it do whatever it wants to do. There is no any buy. Okay, don't rush for buy, because if this is the buy, let me make things clear for you. If this is the buy, you need to see the correction, even bigger one. Okay, so you need to see something like this and then to go up. You see this one? That's what you want to have, and then to go up. Okay, so if we get this, if we get the confirmation, then we will get another extension to the upside. But as it stands right now, there's nothing. Okay, but selling, it's not risky basically. Okay, not selling it right now, but once it will give you some signs, you can sell, because you will at least grab this. Okay, and there you will have enough time, probably this will be 2 to 3 days, and you will have enough time to close this trade on break even and then relook at the structure. And basically then from this second wave you should be able to predict another leg higher. So as it did over there, if you took a sell, you have, for example, let's count the candles over there. So wherever you take it, like this, let's say you have 7 bars. This is, oh, so we are on the weekly, sorry, this is 49 days, so let's say almost 2 months, to see that this is 1, 2, 3 for more upside, and this is the expanded flat for continuation to the upside. So you'll have the same time over there. In case if this is the buy, it will take much longer than we think. So if the sell will appear, sell will be much faster. Sell ain't gonna struggle over there, ain't gonna go and correct there with the bigger correction than going lower. No, that ain't gonna happen for sell. That just needs to happen for the buy, as it stands right now from the current standpoint. So it's really important to understand how market moves. Okay, so but very good question. Okay, very good question. You did a good job that you asked this, because many of you are having the problems. Okay, so be flexible when you watch the charts. Okay, be flexible when you watch this. What really will help you, what helps me as well, is when I drop something and then chart move, or for example the candles or the price move out of structures, what I do, I usually just go and remove everything from the chart and I start from the scratch. This will help you, because sometimes you automatically push the analysis which you draw in the past. Okay, you didn't update it, you just draw, and you can miss the trade because of pushing the trade. Okay, so make sure you just take everything off. If there's something not clear to you, if you don't see the clear sense of the direction, take everything off and start from the scratch. That will help you to give you the fresh view, the fresh look. And after doing this, if the sense of the direction still will not be clear, then just move away from the chart. Okay, come back to the chart tomorrow or even 2-3 days. Okay, so where we were, near dollar. Oh, that's not proper layout, this one. So you know what to do. Okay, the price is just bigger over there. Okay, I will just give you the update under the picture, so you will have another view. Okay, so another view over there. Let me just do that for you guys. Copy the link, but don't sell it, right? Don't sell it right now. Wait for some price actions. Okay, this is the updated version now. US30 the same way. Okay, US30 will struggle there probably as well. There is something losing its momentum. Okay, so this could still go lower. If it stops over there, be careful. This could be a running flat, which will go break the top again and then it will drop. So that's The only thing which you have to be careful, if you take the sell, be careful what it will do around the trend line. Okay, you just don't need to be scared. You just need a little bit more focus once the price will reach the trend line. That's all what you have to do. Just additional focus around the trend line, that's all. Don't touch, don't feel frustrated, don't feel any fear. Okay, so very important. And then what else? Euro dollar. Okay, so you know what to do. Okay, everyone should be able to catch this one right there. This will be the move to the downside. I really see that this kind of the move over there in the upcoming days. Back at this low at least. Okay, it's gonna be the big movement. Big move is coming over there on the euro dollar, right? Same there, New Zealand USD. It's the similar thing. Okay, it can struggle over there, and then we have to catch it. Okay, these are the big moves for the end of the week. Dollar. So these are the moves because I'm expecting dollar to rise. Then I expect euro dollar down, New Zealand down, Aussie down, USD CAD up. Okay, these are my expectations. How to use best signal indicator? I think that I didn't get you. What did you mean best signal indicator? You mean best indicator for signal? Probably, yeah. There is no indicator. Okay, you don't need any indicator, especially if you are new in the trading. What you have to understand is this pure naked chart. Okay, what you will have to do is you just have to understand the basic behind the chart. Okay, you have to understand that market moves in the impulsive movement, and after every impulsive movement, okay, this needs to correct. So we have an impulsive movement and corrective movement, and once this corrective movement is about to complete, or once it's completed, then we will continue into the direction of the previous impulse. Okay, this is the basic which you have to understand. So market moves in waves, right? It always does. It moves from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 15 minute. On all time frames you will see the waves. So everything is about the wave, and everything is all about this concept: impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, so once you will understand this, you just have to go and give it a little bit back testing. Okay, because you should not trust me, you just have to go and do something like this, right? So you go back on the chart somewhere, okay, in the back, total in the back, and then now you see. Now you watch the chart. If this goes down, if this corrects, okay, so what the price will do? Will it continue into the previous direction? Yes, it will. And then again, it will correct again. Where the market will move then? Will it continue into the direction of the previous impulse? Yes, it does. Then it will go into the bigger correction. And where it will move? It will move into the direction of the previous impulse. Okay, so then once you understand this, you can see that how I can take the benefits of this. Then impulsive movements are tradable, and impulsive movements is what you should trade. And then you will find more impulsive and corrective movements within impulsive movement. Okay, you have the impulse, you have a correction, you have an impulse, you have a correction. You see how many of them you will find, and the lower you will go, the more you will see them. Okay, they will be just keep appearing, keep appearing. You see how many of them are there, and you will take them now this as the benefits for you. Okay, so you will trade based on them. Okay, you have to find your entry based on this lower degree impulsive and corrective movements. And as well, this is the sell, this is the sell, this is the sell, this is the sell. You see how many sells you can catch over there on the way to the downside. This is where you take the benefits. Okay, and as well over there, once this move will start, look how many sells you will get over there. Okay, you're just following the flags. Okay, this is not visible, but there are more buy flags. Okay, for example, if this buy, how I can take the benefit from this buy? Okay, there's the one big buy, boom, boom, look at that one. Okay, there are a lot of buy setups. Okay, a lot of buy setups are there. I just have to read them correctly. Okay, no pushing, and that's the basic understanding behind the market behind the screen, let's say. Okay, and what you have to do, or what you should do, where you have to spend your time, the most time you have to spend over there studying those corrections. Okay, because if you study them, if you know how they develop, you will know where the market will move. Okay, you can predict every single move. It's very easy. Okay, you just need to read them properly, and you don't need to read any news, you don't need to use any indicator. Okay, and that's the power of this strategy. Okay, and you can apply this concept on all the market. You can use it on forex, you can use it on crypto, you can use it commodities, stocks, whatever you want. Okay, bonds, indexes, whatever. The market moves like this, and every market will move like this. Okay, you can check it, okay, by yourself. Just go to randomly one chart and see if market really moves like that. If it does so, you should take your free time and study it, because it's worth of it. Okay, it's worth of it, and it will pays off very nicely. Okay, because what you will do with this strategy, you are aiming these big movements. Okay, this is where you make money, and this is what we do. We always aim for these big movements, and this is where we are making money. Because in the correction you don't have money. Okay, there's no money for us. We don't make money over there in these small tiny corrections and so on, and market is very boring in these corrections, so we don't take trades over there in these kind of corrections, right? Okay, so hope that this is now clear to you, and that I have answered nicely which indicator you need. Okay, so the answer is impulse and correction. Okay, so your best signal indicator will be impulse and correction. That's all what you need. Okay, so let's go now. Let me just grab the pen and let's see. Hope this is now clear to you. Okay, you should got my point. Okay, if you don't, then let me know. Okay, so as well, New Zealand USD, what will do? It will struggle over there and still has to come lower. Okay, very nice moves are setting up over there for this week and the next upcoming days. Okay, so this is the move. How you trade, you will find the flags over there. Okay, there will be the flags, so it's really hard to miss it. Okay, so some people are saying that they are working, they are on the job, they can watch the chart, but that's not true. Okay, you always have a lot of opportunities to grab the trade. You can basically miss it. There will be at least 5 or 10 opportunities, 5 or 10 sell stops for this trade, and it will not be only from the one spot. There will be the different spots with the different risk reward ratio as well. Okay, so but the first few of them are the most beneficial one, because they are from the top and you can hold them for a while and they will not give you any headache, and you don't even need to watch it for a month. Okay, so this is the difference. So let's go. Okay, definitely want to see this kind of the move over there and then going lower. Aussie USD, same thing over there. Okay, this seems to be completed slowly, and it needs to go lower. So can it extend? Yes, this can go do something like this, give you the running flat over there, another leg higher, and then still has to come lower. Nothing has changed. Okay, price will still be the same, so you should not be worried, but you just have to know where you are located in the structure. Structure is a very important thing. Okay, so if you read the structure correctly, properly, you know where you're located, you know what to do, you know where to get in, where to get out, and so on. Okay, so USD CAD, same there. Okay, that has to struggle over there and then to go up. When? We don't know yet, but give it more time over there and then we will see more opportunity. Aussie yen, okay, I see that all your pairs needs to complete this movement. Okay, that looks like impulse and correction, and we will do at least something like this, at least tagging that this trend line. We can still go lower, tag the low, then go high, and then go low. Okay, this is the more complicated sense of direction on yen. Okay, but definitely we should just go and first watch for this buy, and then we will see how far it will take us. Okay, it can take us all the way up to this trend line and we'll make a nice money, but selling as it stands right now, where it is right now, that's not the location for selling. Okay, you should be selling it from the higher spots, and now this is the buying opportunity. So what you have to do, let it give you some impulsive movements over there, impulsive and corrective on lower time frame, and you will be keep trading. Okay, so you can keep adding your trades all the way up to this trend line. Okay, to this top, sorry. First we have to break this top, and then we will see, we will have to watch it correctly. Okay, because this on daily could still be one big correction. Okay, that's the, oops, sorry, that could be the problem. That's what I see. Okay, so I see this one as something like this, it's possible, and then going up and then going down totally, kind of big movement. Okay, so but yeah, next year we will be heading to the downside probably. Okay, so we will see. We now just have to put our focus over there to see how that's gonna develop over there, what it's going to do and how it will develop. So buy setups, right? You know what to do. Follow the buy setups, let it do whatever it wants to give you some buy setups, and just keep on buying all the way back to the upside. New Zealand yen, still the same. This one as well. Okay, so this could be another leg higher and then drop. That's not the sell for me. If it is the sell, then I will let it go, because this is not the spot where you should sell. If you want to sell, you just have to wait for the correction and we will sell. We all will sell if we get something like this, but if we don't, you can touch it, you can't sell it from there. That's not your selling spot. Euro yen, same there. They are very interested, because this could be the impulsive structure, this could be a contracting flat over there. So 1, this could be 2, and that could be the 3, and it will go up and then down. Okay, so they all are a little bit complicated. They all are having this impulse, and then we have another correction. So we have this impulse, let's say, and then we have the correction like this in the most of them, and this correction seems to be completed. And what we are doing now, we are going down like this, and everything together, how does it look like? This looks like a 1, 2, 3, and more upside, and then down totally. Okay, they are all showing me this kind of the movement. This kind of the movement is very possible, so watch it closely. If do so, take the buy. Okay, so we not buying exactly where it stands right now, it's not making sense. You need to have at least a flag. Okay, you need to have at least a flag before you start buying. Okay, so you need something like this. Okay, what you need, it would be great if it drops over there, then giving me the correction like this and then up. Okay, so if I do copy for better understanding. Okay, so because I really want that everyone will understand what I'm saying. Don't just come here to copy. Okay, if you came here on this webinar to copy me, better you leave it, because you can copy me. Okay, I'm here to teach you. I'm here to teach everyone who want to learn, who want to go to the next level with the knowledge. Okay, you have to be independent trader. So this is what I want from you. You need to be independent trader. You should not copy anyone. You just have to be your own trader. So you need to see some reaction, and then we'll go to the upside. Okay, very easy. What you're doing right now, nothing. If you're selling it, great, move and break even, watch to take profit and enjoy, right? All yen pairs are the same, but I don't like the pound yen. Pound yen is what I don't like that much. The Aussie yen, New Zealand yen, and Euro yen are better. Chief yen, yes, this one could be as well good. Look at that one. Same there. Okay, impulse down, running flat over there. Okay, this is the running flat. Went lower. This everything together. 1, 2, 3 correction for more upside. Breaking the top and then go lower. Tagging this low and then another push to the upside. Okay, this is how I see that the market will move and it will behave in the next upcoming weeks. So this is the ranges where we will trade. Okay, you should be trading in these kind of the ranges. I really don't see that there is some big movement or big trending which is about to start. Okay, so not ready yet. Okay, I don't see it. It stands right now, that's not possible right now. And CAD, same there. There's even better to see. Impulse down, then a nice symmetrical contracting, and then going down. So 1, 2, and 3. 1 to 3, going up, break those tops. Okay, over there, let me just zoom out. So this is just for better understanding. Impulse, then 1, 2, 3, downside. Okay, now go up and then go lower. Okay, you all should understand. Can this drop down? No, not like this. Never ever this will drop so forget about this. This is just in your head, in your imagination. So let it drop. It has to correct. It has to prove you. If you go lower, then you take the trade. So this is your proof. This is your confirmation. Without this correction, you can do anything. Okay, just be patient over there as it stands right now. But buy, yes, if you find the buy stop, if you find any buy flag, take it. Go back to this trend line, or at least back to this top. That's the minimum what you can get. So very, very good buy setups will probably appear on yen pairs. Okay, so make sure you watch it properly. Don't imagine what will happen. Okay, so sorry, all yen pairs are the same. Okay, so I see all of them the same way. Pound New Zealand, this one is pushing higher. Okay, so yeah, this will slowly push all the way back to the upside. Okay, so this could be very slowly move, probably corrective movement, and then on the like lower, or and then drop and then break to the upside, sorry. Okay, so you can watch for buy stops on lower time frame. We've been watching this one. Okay, so this is what we were watching inside of the academy. Breakout, correction, and then going higher. Okay, this is our setup. This was our setup, and as well pound Aussie. Okay, this was the same our setup. Okay, and I shared it as well with you yesterday on the webinar. Okay, this to go lower, something like this, giving you the 1, 2, 3, and then going up relationship to this, we should go something like this. That should be at least a correction, and then going down. Okay, easy. You just have to understand every move, how it moves. Okay, so next one. If you guys have any questions, just do not hesitate. Feel free to use the chat. Okay, I will show you the chart which you ask for. Okay, so nothing is there. This one it's not clear yet. Okay, so but what it could be, this could be the expanded flat, right? This could be expanded flat. We can go up and we still can go down. Okay, this could be just the extension and this go up over there and then drop totally. So be careful. Okay, now the question is this the expanded flat for one more leg higher? Possible. Watch the lower time frame and watch for this movement over there. New Zealand Chief, nothing yet. Okay, so if you were selling it from the top, great. Okay, so there was some correction over there, breakdown, correction, impulse, and then if you're in the trade, great. Okay, so move your trades on break even. CAD Chief, this is the wonderful trade. Okay, I personally have the trade from there, and a couple of my traders as well catch it from there. Some of them took it from this correction. Okay, and then the price is still nicely going down, so we will still hold the trade. There are no any signs of changing. Okay, so price is still there, it's still pushing down nicely, and we will hold it. We will hold it at least back at the previous low, that much. Okay, it's a very nice profit, and it will probably take a couple more days to reach the full potential. Okay, to reach the previous low. This is what we will do. Okay, so SP500, I already told you. Okay, this will lose its momentum, then going lower. US30 as well. Okay, they all are showing me more downside, and of course German 30 as well. Okay, so this is the structure which can end over there. and needs to start pushing lower. Okay, this is the daily. Why? We've been discussing at the beginning, this is the running flat, and in relationship to this, that has to come lower. Very easy, very easy once you understand what you are doing. Okay, so this will be my setups. This is why, and my team will watch over there. Okay, we will keep an eye close over there to see how much can we take out from this trade, and of course catch if it's what we will just let run. Okay, so this is the trade which is running nicely over there, and definitely dollar pair is what we will watch. Okay, those are very hot pairs, let's say like that, but not from there. Okay, so we just have to leave it for now. Probably tomorrow we will watch this very closely. So do we have any questions, guys? Just feel free to use the live chat. Okay, I will wait a couple of minutes. If there are any questions, I will answer. If not, then I will end the webinar over there. Okay, so we have a question. One guy is saying, I have problems with my entry. What time chart are you using to set the entry? I'm usually on 1 hour and 4 hour. This is where I'm mostly. Okay, this is where I spend most time. And you're probably selling it too low. That could be your problem. Okay, so try to find how you will define where to sell. Okay, so, or for example, you're not waiting for the confirmation. That's probably your problem. Okay, so yesterday, if you wasn't there was a very good example. Sugar. Okay, sugar is what I was showing. Okay, so what you are probably doing is this. You are probably selling over there because you're watching just for the break of the trend line. Okay, you're probably just watching for the break of the trend line, and this is your problem. Price go, okay, you're happy, and then in next couple of candles it just goes straight to the upside, it will stop you out, or you'll have a very bad entry. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. This is the 4 hour example, but this example, exactly the same example, will appear on 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, whatever. Okay, it's always the same. Okay, market and structures are not different on lower time frame. I use exactly same techniques, exactly same rules on all time frames. It doesn't matter where I enter the market. The rules should be the same. I don't change it. Okay, what is different that on lower time frame things and charts and structures are just moving faster. That's all what it is. Okay, that's all the difference. Okay, but just to explain it, just to make things clear for you. Okay, so you're probably entering there because you see the break, you said, oh, the market is going, you take the sell, you are probably not keeping your stop loss on reasonable place, so you just tighten it, you put it somewhere there based on, I don't know, okay, just based on feeling, you just put it like this, and then chart go down and then just reverses. And what is the problem? You have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, if you do so, if you wait for this confirmation, what I'm always repeating, okay, so you will hear me saying, always wait for confirmation. Okay, then you start selling. Then you will not have this kind of the problem. Then you will fix this problem. This problem will be solved, which you are currently having. Okay, and then you will not ask which time frame. Okay, that totally depends on you. If you're having a job, okay, if you're going to a job, then you will stick to the higher time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour. So you have more time to watch the chart, to discuss about it, to prepare yourself, and you don't need to watch it every minute. Okay, but if you go on lower time frame, then you will have to watch it more often. Okay, we'll have to watch it every I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour, 1 hour maybe. Okay, but if you do this on higher time frame, exactly the same rules, exactly the same techniques, you have more time. Instead of 15 minutes, 4 hour, instead of 15 minutes, 30 hour, you will have 4 hours. Okay, this will be just only one candle on 4 hours. 2 candles are 8 hours, so you'll probably already finish with your job. That's the point. Okay, so just don't go on lower time frame if you are not capable to sit behind the screen to track the trade. Okay, tracking the trade takes from you the time. Okay, so you can go on the job if you do so. So to sum up everything and to repeat once again, if you are having a job or if you're not capable to sit behind the screen, just go on the higher time frame. Don't go lower, because you don't have time to watch it that much. Okay, and here's still the example that I have placed yesterday, right? So you are probably selling over there. Okay, let me just take a different color. You are probably selling it over there, and then the chart just reverses and you're having a bad entry point, even bad risk to reward ratio. But what you have to do, wait for this confirmation. Okay, so if the price is this, if the impulse is this, it is the correction. Okay, you have to wait for correction. This will confirm that the price will go much deeper. If it doesn't confirm, okay, so if this correction doesn't appear over there, price will just go up, and you again, what you do, you wait for the impulse, you wait for the confirmation, then you get into the trade. Okay, this will really help and will give you another sense of view. Okay, so just apply it into your everyday trading. Apply it with your technique. You'll see the improvement. Oh, that's good. If you're retired, that's even better. So you can watch it, but for now, stay at least on the 1 hour. Okay, I really do recommend you stay at least on the 1 hour until you get enough experience. But once you get more experience, you can go on lower time frame. Okay, so let's just watch the Bitcoin as well. A couple of you were asking me for the Bitcoin view. Let me just go to the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin still there where it is. Nothing has changed. Thank you very much. So he's saying that he's following me daily and learn more from me. Thank you very much. So I'm really happy when I see that you are improving, that you're learning. Okay, that's my point of those webinars. Yes, you have to wait for the moment. Yes, exactly. Okay, you always once we are waiting for the correction, this is like market is confirming. Okay, so if market drops and then once it confirms, it tells me, okay, this impulse which was happened before, it's what you can rely on. Okay, this is, or let me just go down, it will be better. So if drops, okay, I can rely now on this one, especially if this is the high, for example, something like this. This is the high. I can rely now on this drop until I get the confirmation. Okay, so if I get the confirmation over there, then I can rely on this impulse over there, and then I can count it as a valid one. okay, then this impulse is valid. Why? Because of the correction. Okay, and then what I can anticipate another impulsive weighted downside over there. Okay, just because of this correction. Those corrections having that much knowledge, that much credibility. Okay, so it's very important to wait for them to appear. Okay, so if you watch them, okay, you will see how powerful are those corrections. Look at that one, for example. Okay, so in the Bitcoin, everyone was waiting to sell it. Okay, everyone was waiting to sell. If you sell over there, I really don't think that you have your stop loss above that high. 90% of traders have it somewhere there, or there. Okay, so maybe someone got it over there. So if you sold from there, you are 99.9% stopped out. Okay, but for those who wait for the correction, what I'm repeating and what I'm teaching you is this: drop, then you wait for the correction, then the price go. Why? Because it confirms that it will go into that direction. This is the confirmation. The question is, how much do you think is a good amount to start at first? This amount should be a demo account. You should not be using a real account, especially not for testing. Okay, I will use every single penny, every single real money, let's say like that, to invest in knowledge. You first have to invest in knowledge, because you will speed up your process. Otherwise you will keep struggling. You will be playing with real money. It's like you're getting in the business and you're playing and playing and playing. So what are you doing? You're back testing. You're testing the strategy, and you keep playing and you keep losing the real money, let's say like that. So what you're doing, you're losing real money, you're wasting your time, you're getting frustrated, okay, and then you keep developing, keep trying, and after all you will see that you need the education, the proper education. So that happens to me. I've been spending years in the loop. What I was doing, I was going to the job, I was collecting the money, I make a deposit, okay, then of course I made some profit, and then I blow my account. Then again, I was in the loop. Then I have to go to the job, collect the money, make a deposit, make some profit, blow the account, and then again and again and again and again. Okay, so I was in the loop for the years, and I was keep losing money, keep losing time, which is the most valuable factor. Okay, that's the worst thing that I could do. Learning with the real money is really not making sense. So if I will be again the beginner trader, I will first find a mentor and start with something that is proven to work, something that I can rely on. This is what I will do. I will invest every single penny into my education, because it will speed up my success in this business, is this kind of the business, because it's not that easy as it looks. There's much more behind the charts. So this is what I will do, but that totally depends on you, how serious you are about the trading, how much effort you want to put into this business, and so on. Okay, if you want to develop your entry strategy or your complete strategy for trading, you need four important things. Okay, I've been mentioning this since very long, almost on every second webinar. Okay, so what you need first strategy on how you will enter the market, enter strategy, and also a strategy for analyzing. Then you need entry strategy. Okay, so how you will enter, where you will enter. Then you need risk management strategy. Okay, then you need exit strategy. So how you will exit, where you will exit in case if trade goes against you. Okay, so these are all strategies that you have to develop before you will become profitable and successful in this business. Okay, this is what takes from you. Okay, these are the 4 parts that you need to collect or develop, let's say like that, before you will become profitable, full-time profitable. Okay, but what I was trying to say is, first thing what you have to understand is these corrections. Okay, always wait for the corrections. Same there. Okay, Bitcoin did exactly. Everyone thought they should buy over there once it makes the low, but problem is there when this is not the low and that keep going down, 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 down. They bought again because they think this is the low, and price keep going lower, lower, lower. They bought again, lower, 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 lower. Okay, and they are keep going in the drawdown. That's the problem, because they are nervous. They want to grab every low over there. Okay, they want to be in the trade from every low. That's not logical. That's not making sense. This is the ego trading. Okay, don't do stuff like that. What you should do, you know the answer already. Wait for the correction. Okay, went up, wait for the correction, then you get in. Look at that one. You almost get the same entry point, the same risk to reward ratio, everything, same profit, everything. It's the same like the guy who is risking. What is the difference? This guy who is trying to catch the trade from there will lose its account. 99% of the chances that he will lose the account if he is focused to grab that low. But if you are playing on the business, if you are in the safe game, if you want to make the business, you have to be more sure about your trade. You need more confirmation, and this is enough strong confirmation which will give you this movement. Okay, and trust me, you will not blow your account with these kind of situations. You can't. Okay, you always wait for the correction. You will be, your success rate will increase immediately. Okay, so try to understand what I'm trying to show you over there. Okay, so I will end the webinar right now. I will end the webinar over there. So if you guys still struggling, if you want to increase your knowledge, make sure you will subscribe my YouTube channel. You will be there on every live session that I'm holding there for you, and of course take some time and watch the previous recording. Okay, there's a lot of knowledge in these kind of the webinars, and it will really gives you another sense of the direction. And if you are serious about trading, if you want to take it seriously as a serious business, then you have to join us. Okay, so how will join us? Link is in the description, tradewithmaster.eu. Just go to the website, find the membership that fits with you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate, send me the private message, whatever, contact me on Telegram, send me email, and I will give you more information about it. Okay, but once you will be in our academy, there is no reason that you won't succeed in trading. You will definitely, you will. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and share the video with your friend. He's probably struggling as well and he needs help as well. Okay, so take care, enjoy your trading, and see you